All right, she's a cold one this morning, minus 25. The shop's sitting at a -1, but the garage door's been open a couple times. Anyways, insurance got back to me yesterday about the 07 and saying that I could rip it apart, get into it, see what we need. So that's sweet. We're probably gonna do a water pump over there, the front main, the timing cover gasket, just anything that needs addressing over there. The truck didn't even have an ounce of crank in her this morning, so probably gonna do batteries as well because it should have at least tried to crank. And yeah, I pushed in here with a skid steer and now I'm frozen. I'm gonna warm up with a fire and let this thing melt off a bit, and we'll dive in, take apart the damage, see what there is, see what we find, and it'll be a little build series in the 07. So stay tuned. Alright, I got a little more carried away than the time lapse shows. Ended up going to eat my brother. Yeah, we're at the port. It's bent back. I don't want to bother prying this apart and trying to get that out or cutting it out like some people do. So we just bent it back. It's good enough for me. Not usually something I'm okay with, but for this situation, I am. And then, yeah, we got the fan off for no reason. The fan's in good shape, right there. It's in good shape, but yeah, we're gonna do the water pump. And then I think my front main is leaking, so I'm gonna tap into that. But yeah, AC condenser hooped, bumper clearly is hooped, intercooler is destroyed, rad punctured down there, rail shattered, and then yeah, both headlights at the back there are broken. But yeah, this is the new grille, new bumper, and new rear bumper. Get those all painted. I'm pretty excited. But yeah, it's been a cold one in here. It's been like probably -1 degrees kind of all day in here. The water melts off my truck and then it instantly freezes on the ground. So yeah, anyways, I'm probably just gonna do a quick little fire up video, hear her run, and then I charge the batteries. Well, yeah, I charged the batteries, but I'm pretty sure they're hooped. Anyways, I'm gonna fire it up, hear her run, and then I'm gonna go home for the weekend and I'll be back Monday to do some maintenance items on it. Probably clean the cab out, everything. So Anyways, you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you guys next week.